One of the great functions of SAAMS is redlining. So I'm going to open the Redline palette. Redlining is basically exhibit production and collaborative markup. When we open the palette, we have an option to open an existing redline or create a new one. Here we'll create a new one. Assign a sample name, an example description. This could be somebody using SAAMS for a Part 139 discrepancy. This could be someone wanting to document a lease exhibit. I've created a redline, named it, clicked New, and now I have a lot of drawing tools enabled for me. And now I can, for example, highlight an area of pavement cracking. So I'll use a polygon. And you can see once that's drawn, it's a shape. I can move it, I can double click on it and change its formatting. So maybe I want to make the line thicker and make the fill to be a diagonal crosshatch because I know I'm going to print this. Click Apply. This is spatial data that I'm making, so it stays in scale if I zoom in. I can add text and say this is the area of pavement cracking. I can double click the text and maybe change its formatting to bold and increase its size, show a background color. Then maybe I can draw a measurement, show measurements with graphics, and I'll draw a line here. SAAMS will pull up the measurement for me. I'll also draw another line here. And I'll move these lines and the links for the measurements. You can move around on the map. So now I've created a basic drawing showing an area of cracking and given some dimensions on both sides. I could spend much more time editing, formatting this drawing. When I'm done, I'll save it by clicking File, Save. And now it's part of your permanent SAAMS profile, so I can close it. And if I wanted to come in on another day, I can go into the Redline tool, click File, Open, and what I'll get is a list of all the redlines that are created. There's a bunch in here, and here's mine with a preview pane. If I want to look at others, I'm also able to do that for other individuals within my organization. If I want, I can open it and it will come back up right on the same place on the map where I left it. And this is now a permanent redline until I delete it. And this can be used as a collaboration tool, field staff communicating to a supervisor, and many other ways it can be used for collaboration. If I want to delete it, I can delete it using the File menu or also in the preview. Then, using the Export tool, it will ask me for a paper size, an orientation, choose landscape, give it a title and a subtitle, click Print, and it will generate a PDF of this current map window, and it will pop up in a new web browser window. With that PDF, I can attach it to an email, send it, or do whatever I want with it. So here's the internet window with the PDF file. Here I can go into the window and save it as a PDF onto my local machine. Thank you.